Let's see what we can cheaply put together for dinner. We have some chicken, some sour cream, and some stir fry. And here's some instant rice. Now, how about some instant risotto? Yes, please. So first, I'm going to put about a cup of sour cream in a bowl, and then I'm going to add 2 or 3 tablespoons of rice flour. You can use whatever the heck you want. And then put all of my favorite spices in. Again, use whatever the heck you want. And this meal is so cheap because everything is from Too Good To Go and Flash Food and traded with friends and family. Okay, now I'm going to preheat the oven to 350 and go and oil a pan, put my chicken breasts in the pan and coat them with the sour cream mixture and make sure it's very, very thick and delicious. It actually smells really good. And now I'm just going to pop that in the oven for 25 minutes to half an hour. Now I'm going to make that instant risotto and, of course, follow the instructions. Now we're just going to do some quick stir fry with those cheap vegetables again from Too Good To Go and mix those all up. And now it's time to take the chicken out. It smells absolutely delicious and it looks awesome too. And there we have our wonderful family dinner.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.